Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find out your age in Excel. So let's get into this exciting video. At first, open an Excel sheet, and here, as you can see, there are some dates, a date of birth here. So what we have to do is we have to make sure that these dates are formatted in um, a correct format. Like if we right click, then here will appear format cells, and it should be in the date section, and you can choose here any of this date type, but you have to make sure that it should be on date option. Okay, so click on OK, and then come to this age option, and here you have to make sure that this data or these things should be in uh, number cells. You have to here select it it should be in general um, by default, but you have to choose number from here, and then you can go to find out your age. So how would you do that? It's just a simple way. So let's get into this. At first, press equals to, and then write date div, and then give a first bracket and select your date here, that row or that column or that that whatever the box or it is, and then give a comma, and then write today, and give two brackets here, first brackets, put a comma again, and then give an apostrophe and type Y for for years, as you have to find out years here. Then again apostrophe and close the bracket, and then click on enter. Here you can see the date is calculated. The date is calculated here, and just drag and down. As you can see, the date is found out. So this is how you can do it, find out your age. So thanks so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, please like, comment and share this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to catch more exciting videos like this. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye bye.